Today, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent without coding in Zapier. This is a powerful way to automate tasks and create intelligent workflows without needing any programming skills, making it perfect for anyone looking to streamline their work processes. First, you'll want to go to Zapier.com in your web browser and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all the magic happens. This is where you'll set up your AI agent from scratch. Next, head over to the left panel and look for the option that says Plus Create. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this menu, choose Agents. This is the feature that allows you to build automated workflows powered by AI, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. Now you'll be prompted to enter a description or describe your workflow. This is where you tell Zapier what you want your AI agent to do. Be clear and specific here, as this description helps the system understand your goals. Once you've entered your description, click Start Building to move forward. At the upper right of the page, you'll see a Trigger tab. Click on it and select an app like Email by Zapier. Then choose New Inbound Email as your trigger event. This means your AI agent will spring into action whenever a new email arrives. After selecting this, you'll need to connect your account and then click Save. This step is crucial because it sets the starting point for your entire automation. Now let's add some tools that your AI agent can use to perform actions. Click on Tools, then click plus Add Tool. Here you can select apps like Gmail or Slack to grant permissions for specific actions. Choose your preferred action, connect your account, and click Save. These tools are what give your AI agent the ability to actually do things like sending messages or creating tasks. Next, click on Knowledge, then plus Add Knowledge. This is where you can upload files or connect apps like Google Sheets to provide your AI agent with data sources it can reference. Connect your account to complete this step. Think of this as giving your agent a brain filled with information it can use to make smarter decisions. Before going live, you'll want to test everything. Click on Agent Preview to run a sample input and see how your AI agent responds. This testing phase helps you catch any issues and make adjustments before your agent starts handling real tasks. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything works, click the Publish button to activate it for live use. Your AI agent is now ready to work for you automatically, handling tasks without any manual intervention. And there you have it. You've successfully built an AI agent in Zapier without writing a single line of code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.